Communication is a learnable and teachable skill, but my observation is that most of the people, most of the students, and most of the colleges are neglecting this skill. But I am not understanding it why they are neglecting this skill, because this is the very crucial skill in future, in your life, to grow in your life, to boost your confidence. All the factors are covered by this communication, but why they are neglecting, I don't know. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 habits to improve your communication skills. And if you follow these habits, you can maintain your communication level in your life and in your career. It will be impactful, fruitful, and beneficial to your career and your life. People will attract you, people will appreciate you, people will admire you anytime. Yes, and people will wait for your talk. You know what I'm telling? Okay, you will understand. Please watch this video till the end. In this video, I'm going to share 5 important, my observation, my habits which I am following, which I am using. That's what I'm going to tell you. Alright, so without any further delay, let's get started. Well, my dear friends and students, today I'm going to share with you 5 habits to improve our communication skills. So number one is listening skills. What is listening? You know what? Listening means you have to listen a lot. But what to listen? This is the question. Okay, but here choose a language. In which language you want to improve your communication skill? I think in Hindi or English. But I will suggest you, I will recommend only English, because English is very demandable and very essential skill, essential language in your life. That will be important. So if you improve your communication in English, that will be fruitful. Otherwise, it is your choice to improve your communication skill in any language. Okay, so the point is that you have to listen to a lot. You have to listen to a lot. What to listen? You have to listen to your favorite speaker in English. If you don't know, I'm suggesting you, Gaur Gopal Das ji, Sadhguru ji, Dr. Sandeep Patil, and you can watch my videos. Alright, some of the people are saying, sir, your communication is very nice, very awesome. Alright, so you can watch my videos, you can listen to me. What are my expressions, what are my words, what I'm using in my videos and actual life, those who are meeting me regularly. So you can observe my communication. Alright, so this is the first, listen a lot. This will be very, very important. Please follow this listening skill and listen to English videos, listen to English podcasts, listen everything in English. This is my point for you. Okay, this is the first habit. Second habit. The second habit is very important. The habit is you have to use some English words to attract the audience towards you. You know what? Right now you are watching me. So my way of speaking, my way of using English words, that will be impactful on my communication. Right now I am communicating with you indirectly, so that will be important. You are watching me, it means you are interested in my communication, right? So I am using lots of English words right now. This is my level of communication. This is my practice. I have done this with a great practice. Since 2019 I am using some English words, and right now my level is, you can see right now. Okay, start using some English words. Then slowly you will be a stupendous communicator in your life. Alright, use some English words. This is the second habit. Now let's move on to the third habit. Third habit is very important in communication. Be polite and humble to all the people. Yes, be polite. You have to start your talk with other people. Be polite. You have to start your communication politely. Right now I am speaking with you politely. My way of speaking, my way of communicating politely. You know what? Start your talk, start your conversation politely. That will be very impactful. Your impression will be marvelous. Alright, now let's move on to our fourth habit. Fourth habit is very important. The habit is that be a thoughtful person. Be a thoughtful person. Thoughtful person means start thinking in your mind about the people's mindset. You have to observe the people's mindset, how they are using, what they are speaking, what they are doing. You know what? You have to observe and you have to separate all the things, all the good things from those people who are doing very well in his and her life. Separate good things and utilize in your life. That will be important in your life. Alright, I am also doing it. I am watching some of the, some successful people, those who are successful, those who are very well known, those who are very renowned person in his life, in this world. I am observing them. I am getting lots of knowledge from him and her, and I am utilizing, and my behavior, my communication is terrible. Awesome. This is my thinking. Alright. What is my point? What do you do? What you do? You will do. You will be a thoughtful person. You should be. You should be. Okay, this is my suggestion to you. You should be a thoughtful person in your life. Alright, got it? Okay, let's move on to our final habit. Fifth habit is eye contact. Eye contact. Maintain your eye contact with the people. Right now, you are watching me. My eye contact is towards you. Right now, my eye contacts are towards you. I am communicating with you properly, with the proper eye contact. And watching, I'm seeing you. I'm looking at you exactly. Understand? So with the same thing is happening. You are speaking with people, but you are not maintaining your eye contact. That is very important. You are neglecting it, but don't neglect. Maintain your eye contact. That will be important. The people will give some respect towards you. This is my observation. Yes, if you talk to other people, so people will listen when you will maintain your eye contact towards, in your communication. That will be important. Understand my point? So these are the 5 habits. If you follow these habits, you will be a stupendous, great, awesome communicator in your life, and your life will be changeable. Right now your level is, I know your level, but after some time you will follow, and after some time the changes, the results will be in you. So you will come again on this video and comment me, my life has changed. Definitely, because I am using, my life has changed, so your life has also changed. You know what? So please follow my habits. This is my observation, and if you watch multiple videos on YouTube, you will not find out any kind of habit, the same habit which I am telling in this video. Alright, this is my habits. I have developed these habits. Then changes are here. Alright, I hope you got it, and if you got it, comment on me. These are the great habits and I will follow these habits from today onwards. Alright, till then take care. I will meet you in the next lecture, next video. Keep improving yourself, keep being happy and keep being safe. Thank you so much for listening to me.